Let's explore a bit at the new bird headquarters. See everybody, this is awesome! You said it right, you red parrot. I will explore this part of the headquarters. But wait, what's that? It's a new bird air conditioner and a new bird windmill. And there is the new remote to switch it on. Let's try it. Okay, there is the start button. Let's press it, everybody. Whoa, did you hear that? It hears like it has started. Let's check it out. Whoa! It's working! I don't know what the others are doing, but I love it! Let's enjoy. Let me see the cockpit. Whoa, so much colorful flashy buttons. Wait, don't press any of those colorful flashy buttons. Why, reader? Because first I will tell you what all the buttons do. Sure, why not? Let's begin with the red button. The red button has the super special bird beam. Whoa! But do not press that button because it can make everybody blind. But when we are facing villains, then let's press that button. Okay! I will tell you about the rest flashy buttons later. Bye! Bye, leader. Meet you later. Okay. Whoa! That's a super special bird crystal. A crystal that contains all our superpowers. And the bird crystal gave us new powers. You want to check one out, guys? It would be my pleasure. Owl eyes. Did you see the owl eyes? It's my favorite superpower I have. Okay, now let's deactivate it. There we go, that's better. Oh, there is a blue button and an orange button right there near the bird crystal. Leader, what does the orange button do? The orange button does return the bird crystal back in the headquarters. Cool! And the blue button brings it back up again to the surface of the bird headquarters. Very good. So press the blue button so that we can return it back inside the bird headquarters. Sure. Teet. Thank you, leader, for explaining about the buttons. You're most welcome. Anyways, I'm doing my job. Bye, Snowy. Bye, leader. Come on, PG, the new flock member. You can explore. Really? Yeah. Okay. This is so exciting. The most exciting thing in my entire life. I will talk to our new leader. That's your new leader. Oh yeah. I will talk to my new leader. Then he can explain about the bird headquarters. Sure, you can talk to him. Okay, thanks. Bye. Bye, PG. She was so excited. Yeah, she's a new flock member, that's why. Yeah, let her explore. Yeah. Let's see what's Red Parrot doing. This is just great. The leader is a very good leader. Red Parrot! Oh, I think Snowy called me. Yes, Snowy? Wait, where are you? Down here. I am flying and coming up. You can see me from up there. Huh? Hi. Okay, now I am coming up to join you. Okay, I am waiting. Where is he? I am here. Oh, there you are, Snowy. Yup. Did I reach just in time? Yeah. To be continued.